Before we start, subscribe for more Spanish tips and lessons. Hello, fellow language learner. Today we're tackling two essential Spanish verbs, entender and comprender. Both mean to understand, but there's a subtle difference that can make your Spanish sound more natural. Entender is about grasping the basic meaning, hearing the words, getting the message. Comprender goes deeper, feeling the meaning, connecting with the context or emotion. Mastering this difference helps you express yourself with precision. We'll break it down with clear examples and practice. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use each verb. Let's clear up the confusion and boost your fluency. Ready? Let's dive in. We'll start with entender, then move to comprender, and finish with a quick practice. This small detail is a key to sounding more like a native. Let's get started. You can do this. Entender means to understand on a surface or practical level. Use it when you process information, like words, instructions, or facts. Example, in class, if you get the question, say, entiendo la pregunta. If someone speaks too fast, no entiendo. ¿Puedes hablar más despacio? When following directions, sí, entiendo. 2 calles a la derecha y luego a la izquierda. Reading a manual, entiendo las instrucciones. Entender is your go-to for languages, rules, and simple facts. It's about the mind, not the heart. Think of it as understanding the what. Use entender for everyday, straightforward situations. It's the most common choice in daily Spanish. Keep this mental grasp in mind as we move on. Now let's go deeper with comprender. But comprender is about deep, complete understanding. It's not just hearing words, it's connecting with the meaning, context, or emotion. Example, a friend shares a tough situation. You say, comprendo tu situación. Es muy difícil. Here you're showing empathy, not just understanding the facts. Reading a complex book? Ahora comprendo la teoría de la relatividad. You've grasped the big picture, not just the sentences. Someone makes a mistake for a good reason? Comprendo por qué lo hiciste. No te preocupes. Comprender is for motives and feelings and complex ideas. It's about the why and how, not just the what. Use it to show insight and emotional intelligence. It's less common, but powerful when you want to express depth. Comprender connects the mind and the heart. That's the true power of this verb. Let's compare entender and comprender side by side. Entender surface level, intellectual, for facts, instructions, and language. Comprender deep, empathetic, for feelings, motives, and complex ideas. Example, no entiendo esta palabra versus comprendo tu dolor. Entender is more common in daily speech. Comprender is more formal and profound. Sometimes they overlap, but choosing the right one adds nuance. Use entender for general understanding. Use comprender for empathy or full grasp of a situation. Native speakers notice when you use them well. Remember, entender =sign mind, comprender =sign mind plus heart. This distinction makes your Spanish sound natural. Let's practice. Time to test yourself. Fill in the blanks with entender or comprender. 1. Habló muy rápido y no. Nada de lo que dijo. He spoke very fast and I didn't understand anything he said. 2. Leí el libro, pero no. El tema principal es muy complejo. I read the book, but I don't understand the main theme. 3. Sé que estás pasando por un momento difícil y tu tristeza. I know you're going through a tough time and I understand your sadness. 4. Las reglas del juego son muy sencillas. Do you understand the rules of the game? Answers: 1. Entendí. Surface level, words. 2. Comprendo. Deep concept. 3. Comprendo. Empathy. 4. Entiendes. Simple rules. Practicing like this cements the difference. Every attempt builds your confidence. Great job. You've unlocked the difference between entender and comprender. This detail sets you apart as a thoughtful Spanish speaker. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. Practice makes progress. Listen for these verbs in real conversations, movies, or podcasts. Notice the context and try using them yourself. Use comprender to show empathy. Entender for everyday facts. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. Stay curious and keep practicing. Celebrate your progress. Keep reading, listening, and speaking. Got questions or want to tackle another tricky topic? Let me know by leaving a comment below. Thanks for learning with me today. Sigue adelante. You're doing fantastic. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and share. See you in the next lesson.